Are you struggling to choose the right trading approach? ICT, SMC, CRT, or price action? Each promises results, but which one truly fits your style? Welcome back, traders. In this video, we are diving into the battle of the trading strategies, ICT, smart money concepts, and many more. I'll break down what each method is all about and which one might be best suited for your trading journey. The first one is price action. These are the main things in price action: support and resistance levels, candlestick patterns, trend lines and channels, and market structure. Generally, it bounces back from support and resistance levels. And there are many candlestick patterns like doji, engulfing, pin bars, and many more. And most of price action traders use trend lines to enter into the market. Some enter at breakout and some at when the market touch the trend line, observing higher highs and higher lows. The market is on the uptrend or the downtrend or is in consolidation phase. The next is supply and demand. In supply and demand, there are supply zones, demand zones, and imbalance and liquidity gaps. Like I have written a little bit about it, as you can see in the picture. These are the main things in supply and demand. Supply is when there is more supply. What the market will do? Market will sell, and when there is demand, people will buy at that level. This is all about that, simple. And ICT. ICT is not a strategy. He is a person. His real name is Michael Huddleston, and he has, like we can say that he has made a lot of concepts. He also renamed many concepts. As you can see, order block. What is order block? You can also see order block as an supply zone or as a demand zone, or you in price action you can say an order block as support or resistance. Fair value gaps are a little bit new thing. Then there are weekly and daily profiles, and there are optimal trade entry, and there are many more things. Like it also tells time based structures, like when the 4-hour candle forms, so you can expect a silver bullet from the market, like those things. And there are a lot of terms. I have not written all of them here so that you don't become confused. MMXM model, market maker models, is one of my favorite concepts, like double purge. When the market take opposite side liquidity before going expansion in its trend. Smart money reversal patterns, and this is the same thing like accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. And here there is also Wyckoff theory, that those are same things. The next is CRT. Like this is a same things but renamed as CRT, candle range theory, but very useful concept. Or you can also this is just like a candlestick pattern. I'll make a video on that maybe in the future, but you can search it and find some stuff on it. Then you have to find which are the valid time frames for using CRT, and then there are types of CRT. And now SMC. What is SMC? Smart money concepts. I have included some points on that. You can see supply and demand, order flow, key concepts are given. This is smart money concepts. Trading isn't one size fits all, whether you choose ICT, SMC, price action, or any other form. It all depends on your goals, time, and commitment to learning. Let me know in the comments what's your go-to strategy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.